Kung ano man yung didemanda nila sa akin, I will never hide. Nandito lang ako sa Metro Manila.
You will never hide, but you will not cooperate with them?
I'm going to resist, of course. Why should I cooperate for my downfall when wala naman akong kasalanan?
But the ICC, sir, doesn't name people lightly. To get to this point, they would have already had cultivated detailed evidence. Hindi lang namin alam exactly what evidence they have on hand, but the prosecutors have gone so far as to name, actually even several months, as far back as last year, we already had inklings of who might be named as co-perpetrators. Pero ngayon lang na-confirm because it takes them a long time to build up the cases, right? So do you have any idea why you were named then? Because you're saying that you are innocent of all of these.
Yes, there is only one cause why I was linked. Tulad ng sinasabi ko, in the beginning, in the Duterte case in The Hague, they said that there was a common plan. That common plan seems to be a state policy by Duterte, headed by Duterte, without including the Department of Justice and without including the Secretary of Justice. Hindi credible yung common plan na yun. Kaya kinakailang isama nila ako. I think that's the only reason why, despite my innocence, I am being linked to this.
But do you agree there was a common plan, that there was state policy back then?
Wala nga. Ang sabi ko nga, invento lang yan eh. Wala yung common plan. Otherwise, I should have known that. Kaya nga sinasabi kong walang common plan eh. Dapat alam ko yan. Puro invento lang yan.
Yung mga co-perpetrators mo, attorney, have you talked to any of them recently?
No, I could not speak for them. Because marami doon sa kanila na nakilala ko lang when I was already appointed eh. Hindi ko naman makakilala yung mga yan eh.
Okay. Yung dalawang senador?
I know Bongo and the two senators. Pero hindi pa nakausap yan.